Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for June 18, 2020. On the left side here, that's the SPY. As you can see that look at the SPY chart today, the market is going nowhere for the last couple of days. You can see that the market is just after they drop and then they put it back up and now they go sideways in the downtrend. So look at the chart, seem like they try to build a flag here. They are not really going down or going up. You can see that on the right side that the evening SP 500 60-minute chart, the market is yet after they run up, and you can see that it yet goes sideways, sideways, up and down. And basically today, for the last 5 6 candle here, they go nowhere. So that's why it's very difficult for the trader to take a trade in the short term because they are very choppy area here. So if you are a day trader, you can look at the chart here. So right now, what the market is doing here, it try to build after they run up, they try to build a flag here. So right now, today they were able to hold up. This is the strong level of the support, like I told you yesterday on yesterday video. You see that the market had found a support here. They bow back up, they go back down, and then they yet go sideways. So they not coming down. So what are they going to do? So they may make a beautiful flag here to ready to celebrate for the July 4th. So if they break out here, definitely they will find a way to go higher. So the trend is still up. Okay, the market it doesn't want to go down, so the only way they can do it is go up. So as you can see here overnight, the market it push it back up overnight, and nobody trade. And then they try to run up in the morning, and then stack from 3 o'clock. They slam it down, and in the morning when the market open at 6:30, and then they hit jack, and then they find to the way to go up. So when I finished my live trading room, and then I saw the market, it tried to put it back up here. So it yet breaking out from a upper downtrend line. They go in, I jump in, I put my stop loss here. Normally, I try to aim here for my target, which is right at the resistance line here, but somehow, some way, they come back and took my stop loss. So and take me out. So the market is kind of choppy, as you can see here. Normally, they will hold up the trend very well. At least they can get to the resistance area. But today, different day, the market come down, took my stop loss. So at yet a few minutes, they took me $456. So the net profit today is I lost $456. That's okay. That's the way that you trade because you never know. We always trade with a stop loss. If they take you out, they take you out, and tomorrow we will find a way to do it again. And you can see that today it's a very choppy day. They go up, they go down, they go nowhere. So very risky. You don't know either upside or downside. So you don't want to jump in and then stay in the, the trade for a long time. So that's someday like that we have to accept a lot. So, but at least a lot to minimize your loss because you don't know if they come back here, they can go down here again. You can even lose more money. So let's see, today it's a losing day. So that's a good lesson to learn, and then we will do it again on tomorrow. So if we look at the a lot of stock that we're talking about, so a lot of stock like airline stock, they still hang around here. So right now they go nowhere. It's like the market, so they try to build a base. They try to gain the momentum in the last minute. So seem like they stuck in this trend here. If they be able to break out, they will continue to go higher. So it happened for Delta Airline also. It looked pretty much the same. Okay, and Boeing is still going sideways. They all very similar, like the market doing right now. They are going sideways, and they try to find a way. As long as they hold up here, they do try to find a way to move higher. But in the other hand, a lot of stock that we're talking about on the weekend, you can see that they very nicely move to the upside, like Roku. Okay, after we pinpoint the entry level here, and now they start moving up nicely. And some stock that they perform very well. Even the market goes sideways. Another one is work. You can see here after they found a support here, and now the last 3 4 days they continue to go higher. So that's it. This is all I have for you today. So thank you for stopping by and take a look. If you like what I'm doing here for you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new videos, so I will inform you so that you can learn something and help you to trade. If you want to learn more about our method, our strategy, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, I will see you next week. Thank you.